Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Draining a Kubota fuel tank is an essential task for regular maintenance or when you have contaminated fuel. This process keeps your engine running smoothly and prevents damage. First, park your tractor on a flat surface and turn off the engine. Let the machine cool down completely before you start. Wear safety glasses and fuel-resistant gloves for protection. You will need a clean fuel container and a basic wrench set. Locate the drain plug on the bottom of the fuel tank. Some models might require you to remove a side panel for access. Place your container directly under the drain plug to catch the fuel. Use your wrench to loosen the plug slowly. Do not remove it too fast to avoid a mess. Let all the old fuel drain into the bucket. If your specific model does not have a drain plug, you can use a manual siphon pump. Insert the siphon hose into the filler neck and pump the fuel out. Another option is to disconnect the fuel line at the filter inlet. Let the fuel flow into your container from the open line. Once the tank is empty, wipe the area clean. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. If you disconnected a hose, push it back on and tighten the clamp. Check for any leaks around the fittings. Always dispose of old diesel fuel at a local recycling center. Keeping your fuel system clean ensures your Kubota stays reliable for years. This simple job saves you money on expensive repairs. You have now successfully emptied the tank and prepared it for fresh fuel.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.